and it got a little bit of a waterfall run right there at the door handle. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a brand new video from Orange Wire's Garage. We got this 2017 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road all fixed up and all ready to go. In the last video, we got the brand new dent fixing machine out and we fixed up the rocker, we fixed up the door, we fixed up the cab corner. Now this thing's ready to go to the booth, but before we do that, we got to take a few things apart. We got to scuff up this whole side. We're going to take it up to the booth. We're going to get it painted. It's going to be 100% match guaranteed. So that's enough talking. Let's pull it out here, take it apart, do a little sanding, do a little scuffing, get it ready for the booth. Alrighty guys, it is the very next day here and we're here at the booth. We brought this truck up here. We're so excited to get it painted. So why don't we walk through the steps real quick that we're gonna take to make this repair and get it going, get it the right color, make it match 100%, get it on the road and get it back home. We've got some rock guard on the bottom of this door. So we need to continue this line all the way to the end of the door and the edge of the cab corner. We also have some rock guard up inside the door, so we got to work on that. We've got to take our time and tape up this edge because we are going to have to paint just inside this edge, and we got to be really careful not to let the overspray get all up on the inside. Well, let's tape up some lines. Let's get some rock guard put on and let that be drying while we tape up this truck. We mix up some paint. We get everything 100% on this truck. Super excited to get it going. Can't wait to get it going down the road with the bed back on. So let's stop talking and let's stop yakking and let's get to work. that real quick, and then we'll get the rest of the truck taped up. Apologize for the move. I know it's really loud. What we're going to do right here is we're going to put 2 coats of paint right over this gray area right here. And then what we'll do is let that dry in between coats really good. And then on the 3rd coat, we'll ease up onto the door a little bit and just kind of blend that in. Then we'll clear coat it with 2 coats of clear coat. It will be absolutely perfect. So we got it all taped up, we got our paint mixed up, we got our clear coat mixed up. Let's get it painted. We made it back to the house here, and it looks really, really good. The color matched really good. The blend turned out perfect. Only problem is I was having a little bit of trouble with the gun, and I got a little bit of a waterfall run right there at the door handle. But I'm not the best person putting the clear coat down, but it just gives us a little something else to do. We'll have to sand that little run out, buff the door, but man, does it look good. Yeah, it's not too bad. Just a little bit of a run, just a tiny bit right there at the handle. That is not a big deal at all. I can just take maybe a razor blade, just scrape it down, polish it out, it'll be perfect. But while we were out last night, made a run out to the tire shop. So we got us a tire to go on this wheel. Everything's looking really good, so we're going to go ahead and put the truck in the shop, put this wheel on, maybe go set the bed on.
And boom, just like that. They say once it's done, it can't be undone. But those big waterfall of runs in that door, they got undone. We took a razor blade and just scraped them down flat, then took some 1,000 grit sandpaper, 1,500 grit sandpaper, 2,000 grit sandpaper. We would have went to 3, except I couldn't find any in the shop. And then we polished it up, and man, that color match is 100%. This truck is really amazing. We put the bed on, there was nothing wrong with the bed, and it just bolted right back up, right where it came off. We're about to take it down the road for our first test drive. But comment down below and let us know if you want to know the total price that we've got in this truck, a total price breakdown. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Orange Wires Garage. We always post there before YouTube. Drop us a like. A special thanks to all the subscribers. We'll catch you next time. We're out.